Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story you will learn all about the natural carpenters, woodpeckers and how they make their homes in the trees. Let's get started. In the big, wonderful world of nature, there's a special group of birds called woodpeckers, and they are like nature's very own carpenters. Woodpeckers have strong beaks that help them peck into wood, just like tiny carpenter tools. Their heads are like superhero helmets, protecting their brains when they make their loud drumming sounds. They use it to talk to their friends. The drumming helps them say, "I am building my special tree home." Woodpeckers' long, sticky tongues reach into the tiny spaces in the bark and find tasty bugs hiding in trees. These little carpenters make fantastic homes in trees by pecking holes. But here's the fun part: once they move out, other animals and bird friends move in. Even though woodpeckers are awesome, they need your help. Sometimes, people cut down too many trees, and that makes it hard for woodpeckers to find homes. You can help the woodpeckers by protecting the trees. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned: woodpeckers are natural carpenters who make their own homes in the trees by pecking into trees. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.